Hi, so my name is Medwa Isali, and there's an interesting question here. So a man is asking, how should women keep their vagina clean? Okay, so I just came here to talk about it. Okay, so let's discuss the anatomy of the vagina first. Okay, so when we talk about the vagina, what is it? Okay, this is a place through which women give birth. Okay, so you give birth through it. It is the same place where we have sexual intercourse through and you menstruate through. So it's like a very important part of our bodies as women. Okay, yes, let's go right into it. It is when you talk about the vagina, it is like a tube. Okay, the vagina, when you open your leg as a woman, what you see is not the vagina. What you see is the vulva. Okay, so what you see is the vulva, not the vagina. Okay, so in case you see the vulva, okay, I just want to show you images of the vulva. Okay, so this is an image of the vulva, the outside. Okay, this is what you see when you open your leg, every woman. The vagina is inside, it opens in the vulva. Okay, it opens here in the vulva, so you see the vagina orifice as well. Okay, yes, so now let's talk about how to keep it clean. Because you do not see it and it is inside there, you do not need to insert your finger inside and then go and bring anything out. Please, that is the first thing if you want to maintain a healthy vagina. Okay, don't go and put your hand inside to bring anything out. The vagina is self-cleansing. It cleanses itself. Okay, it has what we call healthy bacteria, and this bacteria helps it to be a little acidic. Okay, a little, not like so much. Okay, and that causes it to be able to maintain itself, cleanse itself, take care of itself. It doesn't need your help. When you are bathing, where you should focus on washing, okay, it's the outside. That is the vulva that I showed you, the image, the vulva, the outside. Okay, so you make sure that you keep this place as clean as possible, because if you don't keep your vulva clean, what will happen is that infection can travel in there through the vulva, get into the vagina orifice, and then go up there. So you need to make sure that when you are going to urinate, you keep the place dry. After visiting the toilet, you clean very well, and if possible, you even wash with water. Okay, just to make sure that you don't have anything traveling or getting into the vagina. The first point is vagina is self-cleansing. The vagina has to, the area around it should be kept clean and dry. You don't need to insert anything there. Anytime you insert something there, you are introducing a foreign body or something that can cause an infection. Okay, you can introduce an infection there. Anytime you are going to bath, make sure that your hands are very clean before you even wash your vulva. So important. After urinating, clean yourself well. After visiting the loo, clean yourself well. Bath morning, evening. And even if you cannot bath morning, evening, at least make time to get some clean water and then wash the place. Wash the vulva, not the vagina. The vagina is inside. Don't insert anything there. It is self-cleansing. Anytime you do that insertion, you are introducing the bacteria, you are changing the pH of the vagina, and you can get consistent infections. Always make sure you are wearing cotton, very clean cotton dresses, or especially even if it's not cotton like this, I'm wearing this. Okay, I'm just wearing one underwear and then my pants. Don't overload, because when heat accumulates there, it breeds a place for infection. If you are menstruating, change your panties regularly. Okay, change your pad. Don't wear one pad for a very long time, and after the menstruation bath, make sure you change your panties, wear panty liners. If you've had an infection, you can either change all your panties, okay, or if you can't, you stay in a place like Africa, put them in the sun, let the sun dry it well. Don't keep your panties in a place where it doesn't have enough air, enough ventilation to keep it dry. Please, I hope you are getting it. Okay, so these are the little things. And then when it comes to your nutrition, it plays a very key role. Make sure you're eating healthy food. Okay, so you're eating a lot of vegetables, drinking lots of water, having enough rest, because how you treat your body is going to affect your hormones. It's affecting every system of your body. So enough exercise, enough rest, enough nutritious meals like fruit, vegetables, enough water, okay, and your personal hygiene. Don't insert things there. There are a lot of things that people are selling, and if you go and buy this, your vagina will be dry, your vagina will be this, your vagina, you can have sex and all that. Please, many of them are just selling. The vagina is not supposed to be smelling like very good. Okay, the vagina is not supposed to be smelling good, like the way they perceive it, like a perfume. It has its own smell. Unless it has changed from that smell, then you report. Maybe you're having an abnormal discharge, it is itchy, you are having greenish, brownish, bloody discharge, any form of discharge, too much discharge, a bad smell, foul smelling odor, then you have an infection, you have to go. If you're having fever, then you go and report. But apart from that, please leave the vagina alone. Leave it alone. Don't go trying to insert a whole lot of things, because all these things can cause you much harm than good. Okay, and if you see anything, report early. Just use prescribed medication. Follow your doctor's instructions, follow your midwife's instruction, and it will go a very long way to save you from too many problems. So in summary, wear clean clothes. Make sure you don't overload, not too much heat. Bath, change your pads frequently. Wear cotton panties. If you have an infection, you are having foul smelling discharge, the discharge there is, you have sores there, anything that you see abnormal, please report it. Okay, just report any abnormal discharge that you have. Okay, and please, if you have any problem, just do report. That is the point. Don't leave your pregnancy to chance. Don't insert anything there, and you are going to stay clean. That is basically what I do. I just go bath, make sure I'm clean, make sure I'm eating well, make sure that everything is going on well with me, and I am healthy. There's no problem at all. For the vulva, the outside, you can just use water. Just use water. The vagina doesn't need anything, it's cleansing itself. If you feel you have sweat too much, you can use mild soap to wash it. Please, all the things people are selling is for your money. Okay, as a practicing nurse, I've seen a lot of people with so many problems. Okay, and sometimes when you go back into their history, they have used all manner of things trying to please for sex, insertion. Oh, please, you don't need that. Okay, take good care of yourself, and you're going to be fine. Okay, thank you for watching. My name is Midwife Sally. Please, if you like it, subscribe to my channel or share it with somebody else. Have a great day. Bye.